boy, look at that, huh? He likes his baby. Oh, he likes the J, Melvin. Hmm? What are you coming over here for? I told you to sit here. I can't cook with the dog near me. Okay, just sit. Good. We don't want any company. I'll read you a little Ralph Waldo Emerson. Okay, have it your way.
Hey.
Hey.
How's Verdell doing?
He's a pain in the ass.
Well, Simon's home. I was sort of hoping you can keep the dog until he's had a chance to think and adjust.
Oh, well, it's been weeks and weeks. A few more won't matter.
No, he definitely wants him back right away. He'll be by tomorrow.
Okay. Okay by me? Hungry. I'll be right with you, Pooch.
Mr. Udall.
Some face they left hanging on you. You look like
Could you take it? Just a little easy, Mr. Udall. Thank you. Verdell? Come here, my beautiful boy. Come here. Come here, boy. Let's go home and get well.
You can't blame him for being weird. Look at yourself in the mirror. Yeah.
Thank you. Come on, sweetheart. Verdell? Come here. Come here, boy. I know what you want. Come on, where's my boy? No, don't force him.
Over a dog. Over an ugly dog.